What is a registry? Simply put, a registry is where you can push images to and pull images from. But what does that mean? A registry contains repositories where your images are stored. That way, your team can have access to the latest images for their projects. There are several options available for creating repositories within a registry. Docker Hub is the default option, but there's also Amazon ECR, GitHub Container Registry, Azure Container Registry, or you can make an internal registry for your organization. The Docker Hub registry implementation is based on distribution. Docker Hub implements the Open Container Initiative, or OCI, distribution specification that defines an API protocol to facilitate and standardize the distribution of content. Every registry option available uses the same OCI specification so that you can easily manage your images. Without registries, you could still use containers, but there would be no way for you to share images across teams. Team members would not have access to the latest images, so they would have to rebuild them locally. Providing access to images from a registry allows you to have the same exact configuration for all stages of CI/CD and deployments. I've been in situations before where the development team worked with different laptops and configurations. The QA and staging environments had different features available that could not be fully tested locally. I always think back to this, and if we had containerized our application, we could have stored all of the images needed in a registry. The developers would only have to pull the latest image from the registry, do their work locally, and then push their changes back to the registry. That's the basics of a registry. For your next steps, I invite you to practice building and pushing an image. There's a walkthrough on the page linked in the description to guide you through all the steps you need to create both public and private repositories.